Hello racers, welcome to today's video. In today's video we are going to review a set of hot racing Mini-T / Mini-B front springs in our never-ending journey to find a 1.6 rear spring, 1.6 pound-inches. Now I just got these springs, but a local racer and member of the channel, he also has one of these Zeppin Spring gauges, and he did a guest video for us. So let's take a look at his first ever video. Let's give him all the likes and subscribes that we can give him for his first time out. Let's check it out.
Hello and welcome to today's video where we'll be testing a new set of Losi hot racing linear rate front springs, part number MTT30FS148. Now I bought these from RC Addict for $8.33 American. And what we'll be doing today is we'll be comparing these three unknown spring rates to the stock spring of the front of a Losi Pro roller buggy. As you can see, stock spring tested at 1.25 pounds per inch, and that's way too soft. So we're gonna open this up, we're gonna take them out, we're gonna test them, and we'll see the results. Up first, we'll test the black spring out of the bag. Put it into our gauge here, set it up, right there nice and even, zero at the scale, and the black spring test at 1.33 pounds per inch. So that's pretty much stock. So let's say that the black spring in the kit is the same as the stock spring. It feels about the same as well. So that's the black spring at 1.3 pounds per inch. All right, next up we have the silver spring. Now, just by looking at the silver spring, I can tell that is going to be softer than stock. So let's just see. Zero at the gauge. Well, I guess I'll zero it again. Set it underneath the Zeppin Spring gauge at the zero, and 0.77 pounds per inch. So that's an extremely light spring. So I don't think that's gonna work for what we're looking to do, but that test at 1.76, 1.77. So that's a lighter spring than stock. So that's the silver guy. So he's soft. And the last spring for us to test, let's call this the brass spring or the gold spring. And I can already tell that this is going to be the stiffest of the three. So let's find out. Put it under our gauge here, a Zeppin Spring gauge. It's already zeroed out. It's really liking this spring. And we test 2.25 pounds per inch. So that is the stiffest spring, and that's the spring that I'm going to use. So this is the spring that we're going to be running in the first Maritime RC indoor race. More of a test and tune the first outing. So 2.22, 2.3, 2.4. So let's say it's 2.24. All right, just to recap today's test. So as you can see, the stock spring tested at 1.3 pounds per inch. The black spring out of the kit also tested at 1.3 pounds per inch. So I would say that the black spring is the same as the stock spring in the kit. The silver spring tested at 0.77 pounds, and that is the lightest spring in the set. And the brass tested at 2.24 pounds per inch, being the stiffest of the set. And I guess I'm gonna run the brass spring because stock, not great. Silver is way too light. So hopefully the brass will be perfect.
And we are back. That is my buddy, and thanks for the informative review. I think he kept up with the channel specs. So, what he found was that the silver spring, he said it was a 0.77 pound-inch spring. When I look at the tests I've done previous, the soft spring in the Losi kit, typically a 0.73, 0.71. So that seems to fall in line with a stock silver spring from Losi. Next, he found that the black spring in the kit was about a 1.33 pound-inch spring. And I noticed that the ones that I have marked black front are 1.3, another one 1.32. So once again, those line up pretty much exactly with the Losi kit springs, or the 3-pack that you can get. And then finally he said the brass / gold stiff spring, he found those were a 2.25 pound-inch spring. And I noticed that I have one here labeled gold front. This is the one I currently have on my car, 2.25, exactly the same. So there we go. In relation to the existing kit springs, these are very, very similar, within a 0.02 pound-inch. So there you have it. Like if you like this type of thing, click subscribe to be informed of more of these product reviews. And comment if you have any comments about things that you'd like to see reviewed. Thanks a lot. We'll see you in the next video.